Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off energy saver on your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. To turn off the power saving mode, open Start menu, then go to Settings, and in Settings select System on the sidebar, navigate to Power and Battery menu and open it, then open Energy Saver menu and switch this toggle to the left if you want to manually disable your energy saver. If you want to disable energy saver forever, expand this list and select Never. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.